Welcome back. So today we are working on GhostCoin to Whitecoin link. Okay, so I have already done some work, and the right commit which we want to use as initial commit from Whitecoin is this one here. So I'm going to take a look here on Whitecoin, and so as you can see, I'm in the useful initial commit, and this is 88, which is the right commit to use as initial commit. Here on the right I have this Minecoin work, and what we actually want to have here is the GhostCoin one. So I have this GhostCoin TMP, which I don't think I need, and I have on the around here have this repo of mine, which is Rookar GhostCoin with the correct repo. So we can have GhostCoin here. And so what we want to do here is to have GhostCoin Whitecoin work. Yeah, that's right. So here in the left we want to work with Whitecoin, which is what we have seen so far, is the 8C8. Okay, and here on the right we want to work with GhostCoin, which we have here. Here you are. And so this is the latest commit, so we're going to check if the latest commit makes sense. So the latest commit is 11 April, and if you take a look at Whitecoin, well, the commit, which is this one, 80, is from April 13, and the last commit from GhostCoin is from April 11. So let's hope that this is the right thing to do. And we can check, we can check the latest commit to see if there is 1G here. Let's see if this has this, what's the name? Let's see if Whitecoin has the same thing at the direct profile. So line 22, line 22, this is Windows, open SSL lift path. What the hell is this? Okay. So this is not the same thing at all as what you have in Whitecoin. So it makes you question if Whitecoin comes from GhostCoin actually or not, or if it's only the Qt part. Yeah. Else, if you take a look at the file, it's almost the same thing at the start here, but then later on, okay, look at that. Uncomment this section to build on Windows. God. Yeah, so it's the same thing, but the GhostCoin has more stuff, but this is commented. So are you telling me that, yeah, this is updating a commented section, so it has no value? It's not useful at all. Yeah, come on. What the hell? What the hell is this all about? Okay. So let's start with the stuff, because otherwise, yeah. So I wanted to check more commits in order to find, just in case, you know, if there was a better version. So this protocol version ends on 8. What about what does happen in Whitecoin? Do we have 8? Do we have something else? Maybe higher version? Yeah, we have a completely different version here. Oh wait, protocol version. What the hell is this? 28. 20, yeah, 71, and this is 1770. Yeah, I mean, okay, update kernel.cpp. These are checkpoints, which I don't think that Whitecoin has any of these checkpoints, because I think they are removed. So line 27, 20. Okay. So you can see here there are some checkpoints. So FD and checkpoints do not have anything to do, but they are properly down here. So properly indented. So I'm not sure. What more do we have around here? Update build Unix. Yeah, I guess that this is doc build Unix. I think this is the same thing. I mean, yeah, look at that. GTC. Yeah. So this is right. So this is this update is the right one. So so yeah, we will use this version here, and whatever we find now that it's different, well, it's different, and that's it, because otherwise we're going to be here always, and that's not the idea. So GhostCoin. So first of all, we will need a branch. So the branch is something like hit checkout something. So this is GhostCoin, Whitecoin. That's the name of the branch, and we are working on the latest commit. So we can just do this, and we are done. So now we can say that we want to melt with Whitecoin, And okay. So let's see what we have around here. There's this Bitcoin testnet.png, and we have what you usually have around here. The images, Qt Pro, being renamed, and then all of the files that have so many strings that are changed in one way or another way, which is too much. But about kernel.cpp, where is it? Kernel down here. Okay, kernel.cpp. Main.cpp. Yeah, there are some changes here. Okay, anyway, let's start with what we already know, that it's easy to do, and then we will go from there. So the easiest thing to do is images, I guess. So we've got this Bitcoin testnet. So this is replace images. Main new Bitcoin testnet.png image. Wait a moment. This is forked. Whitecoin. And so what you want to do is to have here, fork, not Whitecoin but fork white. Yeah, that's what we want to do, so that it's not so big of a name. Okay, so fork white, we have this new file. So the next thing is something about renaming stuff. Okay, so there's this GhostCoin 1, which is on images. So yeah, we can remove it if we want to. So that's it. Fork white, and yeah, image was removed. Nice. Nice. What more can we do? We can work with the Whitecoin files and the GhostCoin files or whatever. So what are the GhostCoin files? Usually there are some GhostCoin. Okay, here they are. Yeah, there are too few GhostCoin files, but I think the DI is, maybe I can echo and PNG. Yeah, so echo and PNG, and then these two sizes. So let's see. This GhostCoin icon. This should be ycoin.eco. Then we've got PNG, if I'm not mistaken, and yeah, so 128, 128, and 16 size, and that's it. So now if you take a look here, you can see how you only have the GhostCoin files, which now are Mincoin files, I mean Whitecoin files. I'm not sure where these Mincoin files come from, but I don't care. So now we have this change here, so we can say something like replace images. So this is replace images. So rename images files. Okay. So this is going to be the fork white. Here you are. And now what we want to do is to copy the actual files, which are somewhere. So this file, this one, and this one. So now you can check how these files have changed. And now I can say something like actual images. So this is forked white. Remove, because this is not useful. And these are the Whitecoin actual images. Nice. Once we have done this, we have additional images here. Oh, wait a minute. What about these GhostCoin files? Let me refresh everything again. I'm not sure if I am understanding. This is not right. Why would I rename files to be like the ones from the left if they are already on the left? Okay. Let me check this again and see if it makes sense or not. So what I have done here, I have renamed some files so that Whitecoin, so they become white coin. White coin. But white coin 128 is not there. And white coin ICO and Wycon PNT. Wycon ICO and Wycon PNT is already on the left. Okay, let me revert all of this because I'm not sure this is the right thing to do. Let me search for remove last commit because this is confusing. Remove last commit. Undo last commit, yeah, that's. Yeah, so hit reset, soft head 1, damn it, head 1. Now we can restore this. And now, yeah, I don't want to use hard reset because, you know. And now I want to reset this other commit about renaming images because I have renamed these images, but I think it was not the right thing to do. So I renamed these images here so that they were white coin instead of GhostCoin, because I thought that there were not 128.16 versions, but there are some versions. So I want to reset also this last version. So let me see how the hell. Now I don't know what's the, maybe this one. Yeah, maybe. Not sure this is going to work as expected or not. Okay, what about this? Okay, so probably what I want to do is to I want to remove all of these new files which are not new files. Nice. And now I want to restore a staged all of these files here so that they have the right value. Okay, so now we start here and we just have these two images removed, and now let's focus on what we have here. Let's refresh everything, let's focus on the images. So GhostCoin images do not have to be renamed because they are already there. The same thing as it happens with Whitecoin because they are kept. The question is, what do we do with all of these new images? Well, we don't have to do anything. We just copy them and that's it. Yeah, so let's do it. Copy to the right. And now we can say something like Yeah, not sure if replace images. Add a specific white coin images. That's it. Okay. Now let's copy and copy here. So yeah, so this is replace images, splash, these files were updated. Yeah, now there's some more stuff here that you want to take care of it, and that's it. So the idea is to copy everything, but then just ignore everything that it's not about. Yeah. So I had a list of files that have these strings modified. I'm going to use it so that we have something easy to use. What the hell is this? So contrib debian changelog. Okay. Control. Wait a moment. I had this in order to copy stuff from one place to the other one. And so what you want to copy is white coin, which is with capital letter, which is here, white coin. Yeah, so this is what you want to do on destination. That's it. So now I have all of these files that are being modified. Although the last time we checked that doc readme and doc readme txt had more stuff than what we wanted to, because there were ports and so on. Yeah, so probably these two ones we don't want to have them here as part of this doc readme and doc readme txt. Okay, so now we are going to try with this. We're doing something like this. We want to patch all of them. I wonder if there's a way of help. There's no help. Yeah, help. Choose all items. Okay, look at that. There had to be something here so that this worked. Okay, I want this and this. Let's see if we can add everything that it's here. Yeah. The nice thing about GhostCoin and Bitcoin is it's the same length. So you can see just for the length of the strings you can check if everything is okay or not. Yeah, so far this is okay. Ghost coins, white coins. here you have an interesting change, which is GhostCoin and WC. Although, you know, I think I'm going to add it here, even if it's WC, because it's all part of the same thing. GhostCons, Ycons. Oh, maybe we need to split everything here. Yeah. What the hell is this? Oh, yeah, this is the same thing. So far, this is always the same thing. What about splitting this so that it's easier to see? Okay. Okay. So far we have exactly the same thing here. And this is the same thing. We only change the images. Let's see. Yes, 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 yes. Okay. Okay. Oh my god, we don't want this port, we want this and this. Okay, so far we have sign images, verify a message, something something. Okay. Well, at least we have all of the files, and we know that most of them are going to have the right thing there. Okay, so we are done. Now we can check all of this. We can say something like replace coin name, and yeah, so replace from GhostCoin to whitecoin, and this needs to be fork white colon. Here you are. Okay, so Bitcoin strings. This is the port, so let's add the port change. I think this is change port. Yeah, let's search it, because it's going to be better than what we have here. Here you are. So this is fork white. So what you do here is something like this, is change into, look at this, how you keep the old port version. Because why would you change the testnet port? Why would you? Okay. Now we should be able to refresh everything, and we check that there are less files that are being changed, but nevertheless there are some files to be changed. So we are going to copy all of them and then work on all of these files one by one and save its changes. Okay. So kernel.cpp, it's going to be more difficult than the other ones, but other than that, it should be quite easy to do. So the first thing we're going to do is to work on the string changes, coin name changes with, of all of these files, and yeah, that's about it. Later on we will work one per one of them. We will see what we'll do with all of them. Okay, and then there's this pro thing that needs to be done there. Okay, so now we have a lot of files that have been changed. And now we want to focus on these files, specific name, which is going to be done in two places. So we want to work with all of them. Okay, let's split. I do not want this one, and I do not want this one because it's 8 and 10. Yeah. Okay, what about this? Yeah, this is okay. This is Okay, this should be the same thing, and there is a port up there. Okay, this is a port, let's not save it. Okay, white coin, there's a port, so I want this, but I do not want this. Yeah, I do not want this because there's a change. Port, this is okay. Not this thing. Okay. Is it any better? Yes, it is. RPC, whatever. What about this? GhostCoin, white coin, yeah, no, yes. This should be the same thing. Okay, so this is the port. We don't want to save the port here, but somewhere else. This should be the same thing, isn't it? GhostCoin. Okay. We don't want to save the checkpoints. Here you have. Okay. What if? Yeah. I mean, I don't want this chunk. I want this one. Let's split everything here. Not this one, not this. Yeah, there's some subsidy there. Yearly block count. Oh, wait a moment. Can we go to the past? Stage, do not stage, quit. Stage this handling all later to hand. Select a hunk to go to the previous one. What the hell? Which is the one? Okay, so the last one was the thread save message box, which is that's a good question. We'll check this space. Okay, I can see the lines here. So this is to something and this is to something. Yes, I want to go to number 10. Yeah, this is what you have done so far. You want to go to number 10. That's it. Okay, so number 10. We want this here. Okay, and we want this. We don't want this one. Not this one. Not this one. Not this one. Not this one. Yeah, some money changes that are here, not this one. What about this? Not this one. And this is one thing that you want to have here, because this replaces stuff here. Okay. Okay. Not this one. And not this one. Not this one. Not this one. THC. Okay. This needs to be replaced. You want to keep the ticker for later on. As an example, not this one. This is okay. This is okay. This is okay. Nice, nice. So far. So far, everything is okay. This should be the same thing here. That's right. What about this? Okay. Not this version changes here. Not this one here. And we are done. So now we have a lot of files that we have modified up there with a lot of changes. Okay. And so what we're going to check if it's everything is okay here on the changes that we want to comment. Let's see if there's something obvious that we have added here and should not be there. We might be able to turn it around. Yeah. Okay, let's see what more do we have around here. Okay, so now I should be able to replace con name. This is going to be number 2. Okay, so now we have these files which we can work with them manually and then do some stuff there. Once we have finished with this, we will be able to work with the pro file and see what the hell do we do with that. But yeah. So let's see what we do with this. Okay, let me check. What the hell do we have here? So readme. Yeah, I might just add this as a bulk change, even if there's white coin. I mean, there's one thing about why, yeah, but it's not, yeah. Yeah, readme update. I mean, this is not anything that it's useful at all. What about doc readme? So this is about the port, and I think that there are some other files that have something about the port. So readme Windows should be the other one. Then I think the other one was protocol or something, which I have. Port change Bitcoin RPC. So Bitcoin RPC should be around here. SRC Bitcoin RPC. That's it. So we should be able to add these 3 files and everything should be fine. Bitcoin RPC. So this port, and this port. Now we can fork white, remove, and this is change port, something like that. Wait a moment, we need the ports, because otherwise this is not okay. Change port. So this is fork white. We want to change port from this one to this one, and from this one here to this other one, which is not changed at all, it's only a bit. So let me fix this. Oh, look at that. SRC init. It's also here. My question is, do I have these ports here? don't. So I need to do another one of this. So let's add src init.cpp. Then let's say that this is number 2, and what you do is from, so this is twice, and we need to fill it. So I don't care if these puts are right or not. I just want to make the commit and that's it. Okay, so these are the RPC ports, which are updated to be these ones. Let's see if this is done properly. Yes, it is. Then okay, so now fork white and so on. Now we can continue probably. Yeah, so this base is the pubkey address. We already know about this. So there should be something like, yeah, so this was updated for white coin. That's it. I guess that there are some checkpoints around here also, so we can is there anything more? Yeah, kernel.cpp have some checkpoints here, so let's have both of them. Kernel.cpp, well, that's nice that kernel.cpp only has these changes about the main.cpp. Yeah, hey, hit diff catched. We only have checkpoints in kernel. That's nice that checkpoints in kernel do not have so many changes. So we should have something like checkpoints. This is fork white. Okay, white coin. What more do we have here? Yeah, there's this main.cpp, which will have a lot of stuff. Same thing needs to happen on main.h. Oh, look at that. Genesis. We can work with Genesis first, and then we can main.h. So we don't want this, and we want this. So let me see. Now hit diff catched has this, and we can say something like Genesis, but not this one. Okay. Okay, so for white. What's the right fork dash white? We need to, all of them have to be the same thing. I'm not sure how we used to make the other ones. So yesterday we worked with Litecoin maybe, so I'm not sure what we use here. Fork dash batcher. So we will have to normalize all of them so that it's fork dash. Okay, anyway. Okay, so now we have more stuff around here. Net.cpp seed node. Yeah, we also have this change seed. So let's add this. So this is seed. Yeah, okay, update seeds. And this is a fork white, and this should be remove and change seed. Yeah, because we might need to update some of the commits so they are a bit better, but you know, this might be done later on and so on. Let's hit diff everything. Let's see if we can find something that we want to do before doing everything else. Merkle root is on main.cpp, so let's do that first. Main.cpp, let's search for Merkle root, not this one. I don't think it's here. Okay, here you are. And now we can exit. So hit diff catched has this Merkle root, and you can say something about Merkle. Yeah, so this is fork white. Okay, nice. Let's see what more do we have here. Main.h. Okay, so protocol.h has a port change, so we might probably want what the hell is this? Yeah, so we add protocol.h and we should be able to have a change port, and yeah, so this is going to be change from, yeah, this is quite interesting. There's so many places that you change the port, but sometimes you do not change it. Yeah, okay. There's the ticker, and I'm checking ticker messages here. So I might go to the ticker right now. Let's see if there's anything more interesting. So PCH, PCSIM timestamp, I don't care too much about them. Then there are the tickers and these stupid versions. Okay, so now let's go with the tickers. Let's see if I can find all of the tickers. Okay, so this is not a ticker, and if we split here, we don't have anything useful. Okay, this is the ticker. This is another ticker. another one, and so on. Not this one, not this one, not this one. Okay, let's check that everything is a ticker change here. Yeah, well, GhostCoins, WC. It's not almost a ticker, but it's the same thing. So I think we can just say that change ticker, replace ticker. Okay, wait a minute. Replace ticker. So this is fork white, and this is replace from EHC to WC. Okay, what more do we have? Oh, we don't have so many things here. So we have version H, which we don't care much. So this should be removed. It should be something like src version.h update. Nothing fancy here. And what about all of this? Yeah, so these are messages stuff that is changed. So some of them might be something that you know. There's this subsidy thing that it's done in a different way in Whitecoin. So I'm not sure we can save this in another way. So there are some settings that are changed here. And then here there's this thing about different height, which I'm not sure what are they supposed to do here. So GhostCoin does something different. It's having an additional height. So if height is 2, then you've got a randomizer stuff. Times coin. And what the hell is that n height value about? How do you calculate it? Then Whitecoin removes this subsidy. Yeah, the problem is that I do not know how to okay. What about what about doing this into two different commits, because I think that's the right thing to do. So let's see. So I want this commit here, and then I want this commit here. If we could split here, but you cannot split, so I do not want this commit. Do not want this commit, not this commit, not this commit. Yes, I want this commit. What the hell is this? Is this exactly the same thing as you have here? Yes. Not this one. Not this one. Not this one. So this should be something like src main.cpp. Taking settings for one. Okay. So what I'm going to do is to wait a moment. I'm going to modify okay, so far I'm going to restore this, and I want to have I want to modify this 1000 that it's here, and subsidy, so that is 30,000, and subsidy, it's this one, isn't it? Here it is. So this is going to be like this. So now this should only have this change, so I can say that this is number 2. Okay, now I can refresh and copy again my main.cpp, so that you can see these changes. Now you should have this as an additional text. That's it. So let's save these other changes which are not which are minor, which is this PCH and block time and so on. Yeah, then I will add the other one. So I do not want these changes here, but I want these ones, and these ones, these other ones, and so this is going to be number 3. And now we can say something like main.cpp, which will have this thing. So this is also a minor change, but I do not know if this needs to be removed. So let's write out here, and we are done. So let's check what the hell does main.h. Yeah, so these are this is the same thing, but with doubt. Not this one, sorry. src main.h. So I should be able to reuse this. Like this. Okay, so now we have this thing about Pro. So what you need to do is to compare, to rename GhostCoin Pro as Whitecoin-Qt Pro. That's something obvious. So GhostCoin Pro should be Whitecoin-Qt Pro. And I think we already have something like that. Not this one. should have something about renaming this. Okay, this is the one that we want to do. So this needs to be renamed like this and like this. Nice. So now I'm going to copy the file, and it's going to, not sure what's going to happen. So let's see. Would we have to do some Dust Unix? No. Nice. So yeah, so let's do it. So this is white coin. So I want this one, not this one, this one, this one. So this is replace coin name. This should be fork white. So replace from coin to white coin, and this is going to be white coin dash qt pro. Okay, fork white. Yeah, there's this stupid thing that you don't need for anything, but it's there. So let's do it. So minor, this is not replace coin name, but non-useful change on white coin free. And I think we are done. So now if I go here and I reload, refresh, there's no differences and we are done. However, we have this problem about fork white that needs to be always the same thing here, and this is something that I want to fix. So I'm not sure how many commits, something like 20 of them, so that we are sure that we are not 20, more than 20. So wait a moment, at about 25, at about 30. Okay, now we are talking about this. So fork white, so we need to reword. Yeah, okay. Yeah, we don't want to modify this one. But we want to reward every one of them that do not have the right prefix here. Okay, so fork white like this. Okay, not sure if I have, yeah, that's right. Fork white. Wait, yeah, we need to modify this. Okay, so we can check this again just in case, but yeah, there's no differences, so this is cool with us. And now we should be able to push this onto the repo. So we can do something like this. So which is the current branch? Now we can check look at GhostCoin, and it should have a new branch with a lot of commits, which has of all of those differences. So I'm going to edit the video description so that you can use them if you want to. So white coin goes to budget coin, GhostCoin goes to white coin. That's nice. So one more we have here. Let's do it. Let's see. So GhostCoin. Okay. Yeah, so thank you very much for watching this video. We will work with so link, GhostCoin, and green coin and GhostCoin. I don't think there will be any problem about this, because yeah, because this is about you know, there's only one commit here, and there should not be quite a problem with that. But anyway, we will check the dates to see if it's any good. Thank you very much for watching this video. I will stream in a moment.